In this video, I will show you how to enable save video on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, now go and tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. So if you come to as can see now, here is settings and privacy. Now tap on this privacy section, this one. After you come to this privacy, now scroll to down as can see now, here is the download section. So tap on this section as can see now, here is it download. So tap on this section as can see now. After you tap on this download, so all you have to do now, by default you will see the option as can see now, by default the option is like this. So if you want to just disable the option, just all you have to enable the option, all you have to do now, tap on this section. So as can see now I enable download option on my TikTok. So now if I post a video now, everyone can be able to download the video on my TikTok account. That's it guys, on how to enable or how to turn on download option on TikTok. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.